Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to initialize an array in interactive mode using the for loop. This is video 3 of array tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how do you initialize the array elements by using a for loop with interactive mode. Okay, so for that, we will declare an array. In video 1 and 2, we were discussing about what is an array and how to initialize the array using method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2 is good for the arrays which is small, but suppose your array is having 10 elements or 100 elements, so it's not possible for giving the value like manually to each position or compounding the value to the position together. So in those cases, the very useful method is method 3. So I'm going to declare an array with 10 elements in it. Okay, and I will start a for loop. So I'm saying for int I is equal to 0 because I want to start with 0. My array element is 0. Okay, then I'm saying like I less than 10. Why did I write less than 10? Because the array elements go only up to 9. It doesn't go up to 10. Then I'm saying I plus plus. Okay, then inside this one I'm saying like cout. Okay, please enter element. Okay, and I'm inning that to a of I. So let's examine how does it work. So initial value of the I is 0. So it comes inside. The condition is okay, it comes inside. And it shows on the screen, please enter element. Suppose the user is entering a particular number and press enter. It goes to A of I. A of I means initial value of the I is 0. Then the A of I will be A of 0. So when it comes here, it goes back here. I will be incremented by 1. So I will be changing from 0 to 1. And the condition is okay. It comes inside and ask again, please enter element. So we will enter the element. It goes to A of I. I now is 1. So it will be going to A of 1. So the first position. So when it see here, it goes back here. I becomes 2. And the value ended goes to A of 2. Then 3, A of 3. A of 4. Like that, each boxes in the array or each position in the array will be filled with the elements. So let's try to execute this array. So I'm compiling and executing this one now. So you can see it is asking please enter element. So I'm giving 45, then 96, 62, 35, 85, 55, 2, 8, 1, 9. So 10 elements are now added. Okay, but how do we make sure that it comes to the array or not? So let's try to print the array after this for loop. So we can use another for loop for that. Okay, so I will first write a cout statement to show like the elements you entered are just a statement. So I'm saying like again for int j is equal to 0, j less than 10, and I'm saying j plus plus. That's just a variable for countering the for loops. And I'm saying like cout, then I will put a line break, then I will say like a of j. So let's examine how does this works. So in our once we run the program, in the first step the array will be filled with the values. Then it comes here, then it say like j is 0, then it print a of 0. Then j becomes 1, it print a of 1. J becomes 2, it print a of 2, like that. Okay, so let's try to compile and execute this program. First it will ask you to enter the elements. I'm giving 100, 25, 62, 53, 95, 84, 45, 85, 6 4. See, the elements are, and the C++ prints the elements for you. So this is the statement for reading the array, and this is a statement for printing the elements in the array. Okay, so we made sure that the values we entered goes really inside the array. So the third method is much more comfortable than the previous method, because here there is two specialities. Because the first speciality is like you can enter any elements to the array, any elements of that particular type to the array. In direct assignment and direct compound assignment, you are giving the physical values, right? So each time, once you enter the physical values, that is fixed. But in this case, each time you run the program, it prompts for the element, so you can give any elements you like. So this time I give 100, and next time when I run the program, I can give another value here, right? And the second one is like, this is interactive mode and more automated, and it can handle the array which is having any size. The other one is like, if the array size is bigger, it will be hard for you to fill in the elements. So in few lines you can fill in the elements to array which is having very bigger size also. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.